Lisibongoza abemi ukuba bayeke ukonakalisa iziseko zophuhliso zikawonke-wonke. Sisithi oku kuthomalalisa ukunikezelwa kwenkonzo kuluntu. Ibambela likasodolophu uceba Jack Squire wenze esi sibheno ngexesha lentlanganiso yesicwangciso sophuhliso oludibeneyo ebibanjwe kummandla waseBrixton kusasa, apho uqhagamshelo olungekho semthethweni kunye nokonakaliswa kwezakhiwo kubhengezwe njengemiqobo emikhulu kunikezelwe lwenkonzo. USquire uthi umasipala uza kugxina ekulungiseni ukuqhwalela kokunikezelwa kwenkonzo kunyaka-mali ka-2026-2027 kubandakanya iziseko zophuhliso zamanzi ezifuna uhlaziyo.
Ukhale ngokucekelwa phansi kwengqalasizinda phakathi kwezinye zeyingqinamba ezithe zahlaluka kumhlangano wentuthuko edidiyelwe lowo bemele imeya yomasipala wedolobha iGoli uJack Squire ngenkathi ethula uhlelo luka-2026-2027.
We have issues of illegal connection of electricity in Johannesburg. Very rampant to a point that if cannot be solved might collapse this entity. The issue of infrastructure vandalism and issue of public lighting. Again here, you would have observed that we would have moved away from old copper cables to aluminium. We are now exploring a new technology with even aluminium of late. Bakhanda amabhodo ngayo yabona. Bahamba issues that they go and melt it and create cooking pots with it. Now even this market is also found to be having some activity outside the country where they are buying this aluminium. Now the COJ, in collaboration with Josie My Josie initiatives, has until today installed a total number of 1,500 solar LED street lights in the inner city, and plans are underway to roll out programs to peripheral areas. This initiative is geared towards reducing the incidence of vandalism in public lighting infrastructure and ensure a stable and constant provision of public lighting.
USquire uthi abayilibele indaba yengqalasizinda esiphelelwe yisikhathi yamanzi.
We are aware that of the aging water pipeline infrastructure in the city, and also with regard to electricity, we have challenges in this region in particular. So you could have told or you could have listened to the executive mayor and myself in quite a number of media briefing society on how we're investing in water infrastructure and electricity. So the mayor instructed us to focus on the water pipe replacement in our process of revamping the inner city of Johannesburg.
Umasipala uphinde wenxusa abanikazi bamabhilidi asenkabeni yedolobha iGoli ukuthi ke bewalungise ukuze ngeke silele emuva ohlelweni lokukhucululwa kwedolobha. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kube komqondisi Miyeni ngeseBrixton.